Bakit natin tutulong? Bakit natin, we will hear that, tapos i-convict natin yung tao, wala naman laman, yung ika nga na pinadalang evidence dito ng Congress. What is it for, di ba? Well, we will be wasting time, we will be wasting a lot of money for this impeachment, kung wala naman laman, di ba? So I must really see it, and I cannot decide. Pero wag naman yung, wala pa, dismiss mo na, di pa naman nag-hear, di ba? Makikita mo lang naman yung mga piece of evidence pag nag-umpisa na yung trial.
Dapat may trial.
Of course, I would like to see that there's a trial. Ngayon, if there's na, ba't ka natin patagalin? Ako siguro, I'll be the first one to say, kung after few days, wala naman laman, then I will say, kahit nasa majority ako, I will say, teka muna guys, wait, wala naman laman nito puro hearsay ito then why don't we just dismiss this? Pero kung may laman naman, then let's fight. It will take 6 months, Senator Erwin Tulfo, then let's go for it. Para mabigyan naman ng chance yung taong bayan. They want to see. A lot of people are saying, we have the right to know if it's true or not. Yun yung hinahanap nila Is this true or not? Diba? Pati nga yung company VP, sabi niya gano'n, sige, fight. Kasi para once and for all, para sa kanya din naman yun Once and for all, diba? Matuldukan na ito to get this over with. Parang Damocles sword ito na nakakuan sa ulo niya. Kung saan siya pumunta, hanggat di matatry itong kaso na ito, hanggat di siya ma-absolve, hanggat di siya ma-acquit, then mayroong laging agam-agam ang taong bayan na guilty ito